Welcome to Module 7, Teaching Children to be Healthy and Safe for ECE 111, Childhood Nutrition and Safety. This is the first of 7 instructional modules that you will complete throughout the course of this semester. Each module will have 2 submodules, Read and Watch and Complete. Before you dive into those 2 submodules, please always pause and take time to read the description and overview of the module. In this case, for Module 7, you're going to be focused on creating a nutritious recipe lesson plan for children, and you're going to work in teaching teams throughout the semester to complete this project. This is a tiered assignment with several submissions. In the module overview, you will also find information specific to the corresponding chapters that you'll need to read for each of the modules. In this case, chapters 11, 18, 19, as well as the Appendix D of Children's Book List, which will be helpful as you're creating your lesson plan. Your objectives for this module include the following: examine applicable State of Delaware licensing regulations, outline the steps necessary to meet state health and sanitation requirements for various early childhood facilities, describe the relationships between a child's stage of development and maintaining a safe environment. And each of the introductions conclude with what you will need to do for the module. For Module 7, you will complete all of the Read and Watch materials. You will review the written lesson plan assessment supplement. And the items to complete include the following. These are your assessments: your introduction discussion board, review first aid and CPR sign-up and requirements, and connect with your lesson plan teaching partner. So let's scroll back up and let's see what's in our Read and Watch for this module. So it expands, and you can see you have planning a healthy lesson and also implementing lesson plans. This is all of the information that you will need throughout the semester working with your teaching partner to create your lesson plan. The lesson planning process, the Education Department lesson plan guidelines specifically for your course, the lesson plan assessment supplement provides you with an outline of each component of the lesson plan. There's a sample lesson plan to review. Creating a pizza will not be an option for your nutritious recipe lesson plan. There is a review of divergent questions. If this is a new concept to you, some people will call these open-ended questions. The Early Learning Foundations and the Skill Inventory, as well as the Bloom's Taxonomy, these 3 tools will help you write the purpose and objectives for your lesson plan. And finally at the bottom, there's a team project task tool. And this is not required, but teams are encouraged to use this. This will allow you to break down the tasks that you need to do to complete this project. Implementing your lesson plan. There are several items that you'll want to look at. There are videos, preschool whole group lesson plan, making a pizza, and then there's there are children's books that are listed here as well, and how to make pizza at home. So you're going to click in here and please take the time to watch these resources because they will reinforce your lesson planning process. In the Complete submodule for Module 7, Teaching Children to be Healthy and Safe, you have your first discussion board, which is the introduction discussion board, but please take time to review the discussion board assessment supplement. There are finite details in any assessment supplement that will help you be successful and allow you to clearly understand the expectations of each assignment. Your introduction discussion board will also be on your course schedule that was included in the Getting Started module. And if you're wondering when due dates are, you can also use the search topic tool or the course schedule tool on our D2L page. Introduction discussion board, you're going to post an initial post and then follow-up post with your classmates. Your first aid CPR sign-up sheet, you want to venture into that shared Google document and make sure that you're signing up or indicating that you have already met this training requirement for this course. All students taking ECE 111 must have First Aid and CPR face-to-face certification that is valid through the end of the semester. The final item here is the lesson plan assessment supplement, and while this is not something that is due during this module, we're encouraging students to get a head start with their teaching partner, so this assessment supplement is available. We hope that this overview of Module 7 was helpful. Remember that you have layers of resources, your classmates, your course instructor, as well as your program advisors. Please allow people to support you and support them as well.